Hi and welcome to my channel where I am documenting my trading journey, the good, the bad, and the boring. One stock, one time frame, one trade a day if my setup appears. Today is Monday, December 15, 2025. This is Palantir stock. The ticket's PLTR on the 1 minute time frame. My idea is to simplify trading as much as possible to fit my personality and my lifestyle. So I eliminate all the noises out there that I personally don't think is necessary to make money in the market. And I'm sure most people would prefer simplicity versus complexity. This is not a financial advice, this is just for education purpose. The red line is the high of Friday. If this bar closes red here, I'm gonna take the trade right here. I'm going bearish. It doesn't want to go to get me an entry in this area. If this bar closes here, breaking this line, I went right here, but it's not going yet. So this is my stop. Just need to adjust. And this is my target. So the reason I got in is because it broke back the high of Friday and put this mini wedge here. That's the reason I got in. All right. Got in the trade at 8:45. Hit my target at 8:54. So 8:45. Like what, 9 minutes? 9 minutes in this trade. So the reason I got in, so my bias was bearish because of the high of this previous day and the high of Friday. It went up, broke it, went closer to this to retest, reject, bouncing here. And also the reason I got in is because it broke back, because also my bias was bearish, so it broke back this line. It just kind of formed a little like wedge here, bearish wedge. So the reason I got in here, so I kind of anticipate the move. You can also put your entry here, like right here, because it touch reject, but you know, this wedge here, I just want to get in the retest of this wedge, because sometimes can go without you. But also if you enter here, it could just stop you out and go to, so you have just to pick which one you want to you want to do, because it's always going to be sometimes that's just going to go stop you out and go to your target. And also it's going to be the days that just come here and just goes, never know. So that's the trade for today. It worked out. It's not even 9 o'clock and I'm done trading. The focus was execution, risk management, and patience, not the results. One trade taking according to my plan. So always, always, always process over profits, discipline over dopamine. I'll review this later and come back tomorrow with the same process. That's the mindset. Thanks for watching.